What is going on, you guys? We are out here with the Xtreme Offroad guys, and very excited for what's happening. My truck is actually in the process of getting lifted. You guys are probably have already seen that, but in the meantime, while I'm waiting, you know, I'm gonna do my best attempt. I'm gonna do my best attempt to describe what a Jeep build looks like, and I'm probably gonna fail miserably, but I might as well just go ahead and share that with you. So you can laugh at me, you can make fun of me, whatever it is, but I'm gonna do my best to describe this awesome Jeep build that I got in front of me. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. And today we're talking about this nice orange beast right behind me here. It matches my shirt, so let's go ahead and talk about it a little bit and see the highlights of this build and all that's gone into it. This is a very nice project, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, let me give you first of all a quick walk around of this beast. We are right on the Xtreme Offroad shop here in Tampa, and this is a main road right over here, and this is Florida Avenue, you guys, so make sure you check these guys out if you're in the Tampa area. And it may be a little noisy here because of the road noise going around, but just to give you a quick walk around, first of all, this is a very nice Jeep, you guys. Very nice. And this is the owner's toy right here, so I'm just giving it a quick highlight. And first of all, before we dive into it, I want to give a huge shout out to Florida Abatement and Demolition Inc. This is Roy. Nice to meet you. This is his awesome beast right here. Roy, what's your favorite part about your Jeep? Driving it. There you go. Now, is this a pavement queen, or do you take this for action in the mud?
No, don't get it dirty.
That's right. Gotta keep it show ready. All right, very nice. Well, I appreciate it, Roy. Thank you very much for letting us do a quick highlight of this Jeep right here. Well, let's see. Where do we start? Hey, got some nice stickers going on all around. Guys, just kidding. I'm definitely not gonna be covering this because I don't even know where to start. But we got the man Dominic right here who's gonna go over the entire build and show us exactly what went into this Jeep build. All right, Dominic, take it away.
It's a 2005 TJ Rubicon. It has a rough country long line kit on it. You can see the arms both ways. It has BDS Fox shocks in it, BDS 8-inch coil springs, BDS steering stabilizers, rough stuff steering, Poison Spider bumper, Poison Spider fenders, high lift jacks, high lift and mount, Poison Spider hood louver, Nitto trail graph with 40-inch. You come under it, it's got rough stuff axle pockets, rough stuff track bar mounts, Poison Spider diff covers, and that's about it. Bowmaster exhaust, custom interior, and a custom stereo.
All right, so how many weeks did it take, or how much time did it take to get this built together?
6 months.
About 6 months?
About 6 months to do this truck.
Cool. All right, man. And the owner's over there. He's a very happy camper with this build. Very nice. So you guys pour a lot of passion into it.
Oh yeah.
So guys, again, the Xtreme Offroad guys, make sure to check them out if you're in the Tampa area, right off of Florida Avenue here. Roy does tell me that he even went the extra mile to make sure that the stitching matches the orange color paint job of the truck. Also, shift knob detail, even the fire extinguisher is not red, it's actually orange, so even that is also matching the exterior color of the Jeep.
When this truck first got in, we put it in there and bare framed it, cut everything out from under it, and went all new with everything.
Wow. Yeah, these guys do some pretty you know, awesome custom work, you guys, so definitely make sure to check them out. All right, what else is exciting?
Got it. We're gonna put an LS1 in it. That's next.
No, 4 BT Cummins diesel.
Or Cummins diesel.
Turbo diesel. That's next.
All right, turbo diesel engine swap, you guys. Let me know in the comments if that will look sweet on this Jeep build right here. And the owner also owns a, what is it, 2500 Duramax?
Yeah, Duramax
lifted
12-inch lift on Cognito lift.
Bam. So if you guys want to see a good in-depth review about that, let me know in the comments below as well. Make sure you select that.
With an extra 300 horsepower.
Wow, what about that? All right, you want to do a head-to-head with my Duramax? You'll probably smoke me. Yeah, guys, I'll give you a running start. All right, give me like 10 trucks and it'll be good. All right, guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you like this content, and thank you very much for checking it out.